Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make this beautiful crochet flowers. They are really easy to make, so let's get started. So for this project I am going to use milk cotton yarn in two colors, white and pink, and I will be using this 4mm crochet hook. First we will start with the white yarn. We will make a magic circle, then chain 3. Now we are going to work 17 double crochets into this magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this we will work 17 double crochets in this magic circle. So now we have 18 double crochets including this first chain 3. So now we will close this circle by pulling this yarn tail and finish the round by making a slip stitch on top of the chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here we will work a slip stitch and finish this round. And for the next round we will chain 3 and double crochet into the same stitch. Then we will work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, second one into the same stitch. Then we will again work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Again 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So like this we will increase in every stitch, that is we will work 2 double crochets into each stitch. So we will have 36 double crochets at the end of this row. So now I am at the end of this round and I have 36 double crochets. We will finish this round by making a slip stitch on top of this chain 3. So make a slip stitch on top of the chain 3 and I am going to cut off the white yarn. Finish off this round. I'll hide these yarn tails and start the next round. So for the next round I am going to join the pink yarn in any one of these stitches. Now we will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and we will again make a double crochet into the same stitch. So we have 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Now I am going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I am going to make 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So here I am going to make 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. Now we will skip the next 2 stitches. Skip these 2 and into the next one we will make 2 double crochets. So 1, 2. And again we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then into the next stitch we will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we will skip the next 2 stitches and make 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Then we will chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Then we will work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. So like this we will repeat and finish this row. So now I am at the end of this round. I am going to finish this by making a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make a slip stitch here and finish this round. So we will start the next round. For that we will make 5 double crochets into this chain 5 space. So after the slip stitch we will straight away make the double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have made 5 double crochets. Next we will chain 3 and make a picot stitch by making a slip stitch into these 2 side loops. So you can see we are going to make a slip stitch into these 2 loops. So make a slip stitch. Then we will again work 5 double crochets into this same space. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will make single crochet into this space. I will go into this space, make one single crochet. Then we will again repeat the same 5 double crochets into this chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will chain 3. We'll make a slip stitch into these 2 side loops. Then again 5 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will work single crochet into this space. And again repeat the same 5 double crochets into this chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will chain 3, slip stitch into this 2 side loops, make a slip stitch, then again work 5 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will work single crochet into this space. So we will repeat this pattern and finish this round. So now I am at the end of this round. Now I am not going to make a single crochet here, but I am going to make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. So I will make a slip stitch. We will cut off the yarn and finish this round. I'll hide these yarn tails with a tapestry needle. So our flower is now ready. Hope you guys like this video tutorial. So press the like button, leave a comment, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.